Introducing the Fivos D001 folding electric bike, your ticket to convenience, versatility, and freedom on the road. With its innovative folding design, this e-bike is perfect for urban commuters, adventurers, and anyone looking to breeze through city streets with ease. Powered by a 400W motor and boasting a top speed of 40 km/h, the Fivos D001 offers the perfect balance of power and efficiency for your daily commute or weekend adventures. Built with a sturdy aluminum alloy frame and equipped with both disc brakes and electronic brake assistance, this bike ensures a smooth and safe ride every time. And when it comes to convenience, the Fivos D001 truly shines. With its easy-to-use folding mechanism, you can effortlessly collapse the bike for storage in small spaces or transport in your car trunk. Plus, with a powerful 48V35R lithium battery and a maximum load capacity of 200 kg, you can ride with confidence knowing that this bike can handle whatever you throw at it. Join the growing community of e-bike enthusiasts who have made the switch to the Fivos D001 folding electric bike. Like, share, and comment below if you're ready to experience the convenience and freedom of electric biking. And don't forget to click the link in the description to buy now.